Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to view website history on iPhone. So if you want to view your website history, you want to view the numbers of websites, the total number or the details of the website you've browsed through on your iPhone. Here is a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is to get access to the website history is to open up your settings, then scroll to the app section. Then under the app section, tap on Safari. Under the Safari, scroll the way down, then tap on Advanced. Then under the Advanced, the first option you'll see is the website data. Tap on it. Then from here you can have access to the website data or the website history you've visited over a couple of times now. Then you can just tap on any, you can just scroll down and check any website of your choice, and that's it. If you want more also, you can show, or you can click on show more. Then that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.